Is it rain? Is it her? Or a tear of a bird? You laugh, but your eyes say different. Cover pain with a filter and a smile. You talk like the past is finished, but your voice gets shaky for a while. You say, baby, I'm fine, I'm alright, but your fingers tremble on my shirt. You act like your sky is clear, but I can taste the storm in your words. Is that a tear of a bird on your cheek? Tiny and brave, falling so weak. You try to fly hard, but your wings still burn. Come, let it fall, let your heart return. Is that a tear of a bird in your eyes? Fight the weight of 1,000 cries. I'll hold you close till that pain's unheard. Cry on my chest like a tear of a bird. You gave pieces of your soul for nothing. He just left them scattered on the floor. You say love is just another promise. You say you don't believe it anymore, but your hands still trace new futures on my palm when you think I'm asleep. You're scared of the fall from heaven, but you're already diving in deep. Is that a tear of a bird?